Hi, this is Yamilexi Jimenez. The activity that I found was on pearsonlongman.com. This is a reading worksheet and it caught my eye because it was about emotions and I haven't seen that pretty often. I think it's important for students to be able to express how they feel in the language that they are acquiring. So first things first, this activity is very like to the point, and the first thing that it says is vocabulary. It focuses on vocabulary on the first parts of the word and the end of the word. It just lets students get the words together. The one of the things that I didn't like about the vocabulary is that a lot of these words, they can be used for various things here. So like, you lose your credit cards, you can feel disappointed, or you can feel worried, or you can feel nervous. There's a lot of things that may be a little bit confusing, so maybe making them a little bit more different would help. Making the situations a little bit more different, maybe just focusing on specific issues that will go with a specific word. Another thing that I really liked was that it had 4 passages, not just one. And it says, read the letters, match the titles below to the correct letter. So I found that really cool. After they read it, they're basically summarizing it with the title. And also with the same reading the passages, they basically read over the passages and not only choose a specific word or like just the exact words that they're saying. They're not looking at just the exact words, they're looking at actually like the deeper meaning of it. So for example, here it says on 5, it says did very well in a test, letter A. So you go to letter A, and right here it says, and I'm disappointed because we can't go out and paint the town red. Wait, I'm sorry, I did not mean that. Did very well in a test. So it's really awkward because I did so well right there. So the student's supposed to know that they did well in a test because of that sentence. And for the second one, I was thinking about go out to celebrate on letter A. So it says, I'm disappointed we can't go out and paint the town red. So it's teaching students that there's other ways to say things, and they just get to interpret that their own way. The one thing that I didn't really like about this activity is the way that it's formatted, because it says 5 and then it says the letters that go with the 5, and then it says 6, 7, 8. But at first I couldn't see what was important, what wasn't, what was a question. I think that's one of the things that would need to be worked on. But overall, I really like this activity. And then it's a little bit communicative because it lets students read somebody else's letter, and you can actually make this activity even longer. Ask each other questions, make this activity more relatable to them. Just find a way to incorporate more talking. But I think it's a really great activity, and I really would enjoy doing this in class.